Hi, welcome to Hillside Wealth's YouTube page. My name is Amanda Baxter, Investment Advisor with Hillside Wealth, IA Private Wealth. Today, we are going to run through the 3 big mistakes to avoid with your TFSA. So this is years of experience, the 3 things that we absolutely recommend you do not do with your TFSA. 1, overcontribute. There is a 1% per month fee for over contributing. So we want to make sure we know what your contribution room is, that we hit that target every year if we can, and if not, really be aware of how much has rolled over. So that's number 1, no over contributing. Number 2, a TFSA, while it is a tax-free savings account, you do not want to treat it like your savings account at the bank, right? You do not want your money sitting there essentially in cash, not working for you. Big no-no. So mistake number 2 is treating your TFSA like it's just an SA, so to speak. Number 3, excessively trading. You do not want to be excessively trading within your TFSA. We really love the buy and hold strategy at Hillside. If you can't do that, let's talk about your goals. Let's talk about the timeline. Trading every day is just going to get you into trouble, and we do not recommend this for the TFSA. One of the big issues with trading every day or trading too frequently is the CRA will flag this and you will lose that tax-free status. We don't want that. To recap, do not over contribute, do not treat it like a savings account, and do not overtrade or trade too frequently. If you have questions about any of these, or you're wondering how you should be using your TFSA, please do feel free to reach out. We're super happy to chat.